friends, welcome to My Online Shiksha. This is the home page of My Online Shiksha. Student can search courses from this search box. When they start typing, our system will start suggesting the courses matching the typed search text. For example, I am typing here biology. As you can see, our system will start suggesting the courses matching the type search text here, like biology. As we scroll down, we can browse courses, and when clicking on this see all courses will be displayed. As you can see, all the courses which are available on this portal are displayed over here. Now, coming straight to the login section. You need to click on this login button and fill up your credentials. Email ID and password which is given to you, and then click on login. For example, I am using this email ID. After putting your credentials, that is email ID and password, you have to hit on login. After clicking on login, you will be redirected to your dashboard. This is your dashboard. This small pop-out button will let you see the front side, which will be useful if you are creating your course yourself. Please note, this is your first version of dashboard. We will be adding new features time to time, and it will auto update it in your dashboard. From here, you can edit your profile, and by using this drop down button, you can log out from your dashboard. From this bell icon, the activities of all the enrolled students will be displayed here as a notification. Next to that, we have discussion button. From this, you can see all the discussion or queries a student have asked. As you can see on the left hand side of your dashboard, we have two main sections in the side menu of our dashboard. First is learning content and market and sale. Learning content, which will allow you to manage your courses and see your student report. Let us see one by one. Let's check out courses. All the courses which are created or managed by you will be displayed here as a list. You can see course title, category of your course, name of the teacher, and published status. Either this course is published or not. This small three-dotted icon will pop up a menu with option to manage the particular course. Here we have different type of options like edit content, discussion, review, settings, preview courses, copy course, delete course. Edit content will allow you to edit course content. Discussion will list all the discussions or queries initiated by the enrolled student of the course. You can reply and solve the queries of your enrolled student by using this option. After that, we have review. This review will allow you to check the review given by enrolled students only. You can be able to delete the inappropriate reviews, but note, you cannot edit any reviews. After that, we have settings. Settings will allow configuring the course settings. Here, there are few other options to manage the course. But be careful while using this delete course and copy course option, as it will delete the course completely and cannot be restored back. After that, coming to report section. Let's check out report section. This is our report page. Report will list all the courses with the course name, number of enrolled students, and course completed by them. When you click on this button, that is enroll button, It will show all the students and their progress on the course. Here, you can see the progress done by enrolled students. By clicking on this view button, you can see the details. That is, which lectures are completed by students can be seen from here. There will be more options coming in near future under learning content. Now, let's see market and sale. This not only show you your income, but also lets you sell the course in cash by generating coupon codes. Let's take each section one by one. By clicking on sales button, it will redirect you to the sales page. On this page, all the sales of your course will be visible. Either the sales will be carried out by My Online Shiksha or your reseller or by yourself, either via online or direct cash payment. Every sales will be reflected in this page. As I mentioned, you can make also sales of your courses and also become our reseller and sell the other course as well. This will be our reseller link and your unique QR code. This will be your commission for your self-created course, and this will be your commission for selling other course through your reseller link or in cash by coupon codes. By sharing this to your social network or in your circle such as WhatsApp group, email group, etc. will bring visitors to My Online Shiksha and increase your passive income. If they purchase any course, then you will get commission from it. This commission will be listed below. For example, let's see this list. Here, you can see the price of the course, commission of this course created by you or course created by some other teachers, coupons. Let's see how to sell courses in cash. This functionality will let you sell courses in cash to a student visiting to your premises. We will also be supplying your marketing poster for that. Student came to your premises and looking forward to purchase this completed English learning course. You can easily generate a coupon code for this course from here. By using this generate coupon code, to generate the coupon code, enter the name of the student, mobile number and select the course for which you want to generate a coupon. As you click the generate button, a new coupon code will be displayed. You will be taking the cash payment from the student and giving them this generated coupon code. On the course page, student will enter the coupon code and redeem it. As a student redeem the course coupon code, student get enrolled to the respective course. This cash sale of the course also be reflected in the list of order. Now coming to settlements. As soon as you click on settlement button, it will redirect you to the settlement page. This is our settlement page. This will display the total commission earned, the amount settled by us and amount which is pending. This will show which account is associated with us for the settlement. Here, you can be able to see the list of successful settlements carried out by us, settlement date, payment mode, and remarks. I hope this video is very useful for you. Thank you.